Hello guys, welcome to Reactjs video tutorial series. In this video tutorial series, we are going to learn the basics of Reactjs and how we use it with the Redux. So React is basically a library which is used to make single page application, and it was developed using by Facebook. So in this particular video, we are going to cover the topics which we will be using in this entire video series. So first we will be covering with the React, why we are going to use React, where we should use React, and all pros and cons of the React. Then we will be moving on to something called JSX. In Reactjs, we are not going to use JavaScript, we will be using something called JSX. Then we will move on to something called components in Reactjs. Then we will check what are the props in React.js, and then we will cover the event handling using React.js. Then we will check something called states, then reps, and then we will move on to Redux part. So before moving on to the programming part, first we need to install the React into our local machine. Or other thing we can use the CDN. CDN is content delivery network. So for this we will be needing two libraries. One is the React.js and another one is React.js. So one disadvantage of CDN is if you don't have proper internet connectivity and you want to test some changes made by you into your program, then you won't be able to do. So if you don't want to use CDN, then you need to follow the steps and install the Reactjs into your local machine, so that even if the internet connectivity is not fine, you can do all your testing without the internet connectivity as well, or you can use CDN as well. So I'm just going to use the CDN in this particular video series. So let's go into the first hello world program and see. So here, as I told, I have included React.js and React.js, but also I have included third library. This is called the browser.js. So why we are going to use browser.js here? As I told you, we are going to use JSX and not JavaScript. So JSX is basically not in the format of browser understandable format. So this is the JSX part, and browser cannot understand what JSX means. So to transpile this coding into browser understandable format, we will be needing this third library called browser.js. So here I have just included a sample HTML tag and with hello world. So if we go and see its output, let me rerun again. So you can see it is just printing the hello world as it is. So if the same thing we had to do using the JavaScript, then including this simple HTML tag inside JavaScript is really difficult, but with React it is really very simple to use this. So what are all these things, React.dom, render and all? So how this program is basically working, we will be covering in the next video. Thanks for watching.